Good morning, day 17. These statues are by the artist Lloyd Panay of Cree Nation, and kind of an artist interpretation of the Buffalo Run. A lot like what I learned about yesterday at Buffalo Jump. It had smashed in, so the Cree people did the same as the Blackfoot, and would chase the bison off a ridge or into a ravine or something to hunt them. So I'm here at Wanuskewin. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right. At Wanuskewin Heritage Park, and I think I'm going to be here quite a while because there's a restaurant and there's tons to do and learn about, and there's going to be a dance in a couple hours, so I definitely want to see that. So fewer miles today than yesterday, because I got to the Heritage Park in time to do all the things. And yesterday I was a bit late for day before yesterday. Anyway, day 17, here we go. an amazing place. I'm so glad I stopped and stayed a while. You know, you can push too hard for some goal and you need to stop. Do the things. Well, here we go again. Gravel road. And I believe this is, actually I have no idea how long this is for. This is because Highway 15 is under construction, and so the sign back there said slow down for, what did it say? Something about the surface failure. Slow down for surface failure. So yeah, failure surface. I mean, this feels like it's not as deep as the gravel that I had to the road a couple days ago. But it does look like it's going to go on for a long time. I can't even tell. Google says that my next turnoff is in 71 kilometers. So that gives me some idea, I guess. I'm okay on gas. And the sky is looking just a touch ominous. Don't know if you can see that. My battery is low. Gotta charge my battery. Okay, talk to you later. Hey y'all, some more cloud porn for you. The motel I'm staying at in Rayburn. Sunset coming. Bike parked for the night. Neighbors. Hotel room. All right, end of day 17. It was quite the day. I'm going to try to upload the helmet cam of the gravel road that Google sent me on today. But I'm going to get inside before these enormous mosquitoes start eating me. So, good night, y'all.
Recording.
Okay, more adventures in Canadian road construction. So this is 15 East. And now that I think of it, there was a traveler at the Wanuskewin Heritage Center that says, oh, we got stuck for so long on 15, don't take 15. Totally forgot about that by the end of the day when I started to move east. I just got through, I don't know, 10, 20 kilometers, whatever, of just all gravel. And then it says road construction finished. And we've got this fairly shitty pot, like concrete, right? It's, but fine. But pay attention, because the side of the road will have little red flags that will let you know when there's a patch of gravel once again going across the entire road. Okay, I'm pissed, right? I'm pissed. I'm on vacation. I am not itchy boots. I am on vacation. Yeah. Oh my God, it has been a great day though. Wanuskewin Heritage Park was just so emotional and so amazing, and I learned so much. Learned about the adoptions, the forced adoptions, where the Canadian government was just literally kidnapping Indigenous children and putting them up for adoption. Okay, here we go. Yellow cones, right? Yellow cones. So I was in fourth gear, and I'm very sensibly staying in fourth gear because I have to go all the way down to second for this shit. Ugh. Okay, on the plus side, there are shorter shits than previous. And I see some more up ahead, so I'm not going to speed up too much. I'm just going to stay like this. Because then I want to go down to second again, rear brake all the way down. Ah, fuck. Okay, that was the worst. That was the worst one yet. Okay. That one was quite wet. I'm on vacation. There you go, helpful little sign. It says roadwork area ends. Sure it does. Goodness. Pay attention. Be alert. Also, darkening sky. Pay attention to that too. The air feels really dry though, so that stuff I think is up pretty high because the air actually feels quite dry. But as you can see, I'm actually heading toward that darkening sky. Kind of glad I got that fuckity fuck on camera, because that was actually the worst one, and I still made it through. I was like, am I about to film myself crashing? It didn't. Just fuckity fucked through it. I'm on vacation. What did I say today? Sometimes you just have to stop and relax. Say hello to the crows. I don't know. That was a cool place. See, this is quite peaceful now. It smells kind of peaceful. Smell like cows. Clearly cultivated. Smells nice. Pasture. Okay. It's enough excitement for one video. I think I'm gonna as soon as I feel a drop of rain, I am pulling over and putting my coat on. This is getting darker and darker. It'll be fine. Honestly, the air feels very dry. The air itself feels actually quite dry, so I think that stuff is pretty high up. Okay, talk to you later. Recording. Well, I guess the weather was ahead of me. The air is still dry, but the highway and the fields are wet. But the air is dry. I am a tiny bit creeped out by being the only one on this road, which is kind of why I'm talking to you. So flat. For so far. And there's nowhere.
where is this tunnel? It's apparently over the curvature of Earth.